Hello! Welcome back to my channel, guys. We are back with another video, and today we have this special juicy looking royal blue smoky eye look. As you can tell, I really love this look. I love this look. I get so many compliments on it when I do wear this look, so I decided, why not do a video on this royal blue smoky looking juicy looking eye look. So if you like this look, make sure you keep watching. Like I said, we're going to be doing a bluish, smoky eye look. I want to incorporate a little bit of emerald color on the blue look, but we're just going to go with it and see how it runs down. And let's just get right into this because I am ready. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette, and I'm going to incorporate some of the blues on here. They're right here on this side, you can see right here, but I also want to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette because they have some beautiful, like this blue right here is very nice, and it also has these nice emerald colors that I want to try to incorporate, but we'll see how it goes. And then I also have this one shade of blue that I got from Urban Decay. It is called the Urban Decay Evidence Eyeshadow, and it's such a beautiful blue. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but it's such a beautiful color. I absolutely love it. It has like a sheen to it, so I love putting this on my lid because it gives it like a boom, you know what I mean? But anyways, let's just get right into this. So if you guys watch my smoky eye look, I did my look focusing on the black first, and then kind of mixing in those neutrals around the transition color and the crease of the eye. So I like to do that with like dramatic eye looks, and since we're doing this blue eye look, I want to do the same thing where I just focus on the lid first and then work my way around it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the Subculture palette. I'm going to use this Axis color, this blue right here. It's a very nice kind of like a darkish but lightish blue at the same time. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just use eyeshadow. This is like a regular packing shadow brush, and I'm going to just dip into that. You guys already know I already put some powder under my eyes because your girl's not trying to mess up this face that I already did. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to start packing this right on my lid. So the focus here is to pack on that main color and really build in the intensity of that color all over the lid. Don't worry about making it perfect because you're gonna fix it with all the transition colors. You'll blend everything out and everything will look smoothly. I'm just really focusing on packing this blue all over my lid, and then from there we can continue to work everything out. So as you can see here, I just packed on that color. I try to make sure that it's just really intensified, but as we go, we'll make sure, because we're probably going to have to keep packing on that color. But for now, that looks pretty good, right? I look like I got punched in the face, like I mentioned on my smoky eye look. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics. This is just a crease brush, like I mentioned on all of my other videos. Some of my brushes don't have names on them, and I am sorry. I am trying my hardest to get brushes that actually have like actual names, but it's a little difficult because I'm just slacking. I'm gonna go in again on that Subculture palette, and I'm just gonna grab in this Destiny shade right here. My best friend's name is Destiny. I'm just gonna pack that, and I'm gonna just blend this as my transition color all over, like surrounding the blue that I just packed on. This is a very light greenish color that I think will look great all over the transition, because it's gonna blend everything out with that blue, and it's gonna look seamless. It's gonna look seamless. You know what? It's just gonna look nice. It's just gonna look nice. I can't talk today. And make sure you are blending out. You don't want it to look like it's just all clumped up on like the eye, like just like bam. You want it to look like smooth. So I like to blend outward a little bit, just so it like fills up the whole eye, and then it just kind of blends out with the rest of my face. Bam! You see how it now kind of looks more smoothed out? Okay! So now we're gonna go in with a smaller creased brush. This is an unknown brush. This is a crease brush. It's just a regular crease brush. You can get any brush that will basically work with your eye. I'm gonna go in now with a darker blue shade to kind of like give it like kind of a smoky look. So I'm gonna go into the Morphe 39 Dare to Create palette, and I'm gonna take this blue right here. I am sorry that I do not have the names. I lost it. So irresponsible of me. But we're gonna just pack this on the outer corner of my eye and the inner corner of my eye, kind of just blending like that smoky look. Now that it's done, I'm gonna take just a regular blending brush. This is the Morphe M330. This is just like a fluff blending brush that I'm gonna use. It has no product on it, and I'm just gonna use this to blend everything out. So I'm just gonna go over all the coloring I just did and just make sure everything doesn't look like clumped up. It just looks very smooth. All right, I'm gonna go back into that transition color brush I used, go back into that Destiny shade, and then go back onto that transition and make sure that that color is really packed on. Since I packed on that blue on the outer corner, inner corner of my eye, kind of took out that color from the transition, so I'm just repacking that on there. Ta-da! Now I'm gonna go in with that single color from Urban Decay. It's called Evidence. This sheen blue, beautiful royal blue color. I'm gonna take a Morphe M124. This is just like a eyeshadow pack on as well. It's a very thin brush that I can just be very precise on where I want this color. I'm gonna just dip in there like so. And then I'm going to wet the brush just because I feel like it kind of gives it a little bit more power. And it gives that color like a stronger, you know, bam. Pack that color in again. I'm going to put that right in the middle of my eye. It's just to give that sheen, that's like bam color right in the center of the eye. Look at that. I hope you guys can see that. I think you guys can see that. It's just, I love this color. This color is beautiful. It's such a beautiful, like, it just reminds me of like going on a cruise and like in the middle of the ocean, that like deep blue just glowing sea. Like, oh my god, look at this. And then I'm going a little bit on the outer corner and the inner corner of my eye, just so it all blends out smoothly, and I give that eye color that like pop all over the lid a little bit, but not too much. Oh, I love this blue. It's so stunning. It's to die for. It's to die for. Alright, I'm going to go back into that Morphe, that dark blue shade I used. I'm just going to repack on those colors. I want to make sure that this color, this eye look, you can really see the intensity in it, but it just overall looks like wow. Woo! Alright, now I'm going to take... I I'm going to take this brush. This is the Morphe M321. And then I'm going to go into the Morphe 39 Dare to Create palette again. And I'm going to go in with this black color here, but I'm not going to make it too smoky. It's just really to kind of focus on the outer corner of my eye. So I'm just going to tap in that black just a little bit on the outer corner. I feel like it gives it a better smoky eye look. A smoky like blue eye look. I don't want to keep saying smoky because this is not really a smoky look. It's just to kind of intensify the eye look in general. I don't know if you could tell the difference, but I definitely can. It gives it like more of a dramatic look. So I'm just going with the fluff brush that I use to blend everything out, make sure everything looks smooth. Just making sure all the colors are really packed on here. Make sure that transition color, you can still see it. All right, honestly guys, we are done with this look already. Honestly, I feel like this is not as difficult as it looks. It's very easy. The focus is, as always with every eye look, is to make sure you are blending everything out. That is the key for a successful, beautiful eye look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye and I'll be right back. So now that we have both eyes done and looking flawless, I'm gonna go ahead and just do my under eyes, put a little bit of shimmer in between my inner corner and under my eyebrow, and then from there we can put on some lashes and we are done. We are done here. So I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay, we're going to go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. This is the shade Chaos. It's just a nice royal blue color. I'm going to put that under my eyes like so. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the E36 from the Morphe brush. And I'm going to go in with that first color I used, which was the Axis color from the Subculture palette, this blue right here. And I'm just going to glide that on my under eyes from the outer corner to my inner corner and making sure I connect that color into the top of my lid. Now that we have that color, I'm going to go into that beautiful sheen royal blue from Urban Decay with the same brush, and I'm going to pack that in more from the middle to the inner corner. Perf. Now we have like a bam. I think it really brings out your whole eye look, and then especially if you have light color eyes, it kind of make your eyes pop. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in the Dream Street ColourPop collection from Kathleen Lights. I'm just gonna take this beautiful, it's like a sheen, it's called Elfish. Elfish? Yeah, it's called Elfish. I'm just gonna use this M421 from the Morphe brushes. I'm gonna pack that on there. I'm gonna put this under my eyebrow just to give it like a nice sheen. Perf. Okay, so now I'm gonna just put on those lashes, put some mascara under my eyes, and I'll be back. Alright, so we are done with this look. I absolutely love how this turned out. I think it looks so glamorous and so stunning, and it's honestly, I feel like personally it's very easy, but like I said, with practice, like I always mention you guys, with practice you guys will get perfection, okay? But as usual, I will put everything down in the description so you guys can check it out. If you do not follow my social media accounts, make sure you follow, show some love. I do a lot of, well, not a lot, but I've been doing live videos. So when I'm not posting on here on my channel, I am posting on my Instagram page and also on my Snapchat. So make sure you follow all my social media accounts. If you enjoyed this video and you loved how this video turned out, give it a thumbs up, show some love in this channel. Thank you guys for all the support, and like I always tell you guys, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.